So welcome again to my YouTube channel. So for this time I'm gonna do a quick tutorial on how you can clone a bot without using MT Manager or any other external apps. So the first thing is simple, guys. So just go to your GitHub and search for this is thing for it to quickly appear is to search for King. Type exactly what I'm typing, okay? Okay, King Marvin make it MG, okay? And click that. That's the quickest thing, or you can just search for it from you can get this code out. As you can see, this is how we do it. Hit the star. Of course, I appreciate if you hit the star and just click for King Marvin can make MG. I did 6 days ago. So guys, this is how you do it. This time I'm not gonna do that the long way. I'm just gonna use this quickest way so that everything will be cool. So you just have to follow every step that I'm gonna be doing here, okay? So go and click where it says code there. Okay? And after you click where it says code, this time we're not gonna download this. Copy here. Take the copy icon here and just copy. After you copy, you go to your just click on your profile here. After clicking on your profile, they come to there will be like this option and click where it says new repositories. After you click there, wait for it to load. After that, don't mind my colors blue, you can change it, but yours should be green, okay? So you just have to click where it says new here. Click where it says new. After click where it says new, we are gonna click where it says importing, okay? We're not gonna set a name for it, we'll set a name later, but we're just gonna click where it says import and click there. After clicking import, there's the all for your secondary repository. And after that, you just click there and paste the copied code that you copied there. And paste it, okay? And put your GitHub username and password, okay? After that, you put the name of the bot, okay? Let's just say, alright, let me just say, okay, let's just say, just put the name of the bot that you wanna make, Neko. And okay, after that, you're gonna just begin importing, okay? And you just have to wait for about 5 minutes. I know it's about 2 to 3 minutes if I'm not mistaken, depending on your network, Wi-Fi or any network you're using. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Also join my WhatsApp channel for updates and so on. Anyway, if you wanna help, you can contact me. I'll try in any way possible. As you can see, it's already right now. The most effective way for doing it, and just click on King Marvin Echo ND, okay? After that, this is how it will be, okay? This is how it will be. So this time we are gonna change all the information used on GitHub, okay? So just click on plugins, okay, and click on main, okay, click on the edit where it says edit icon. I don't know where yours is, but it should be around there, 3 dots on this corner there, and just click on edit, okay? Okay, there we are. So I'm not gonna take much of your time, so let's just and here you can put Neko and the name of the bot, okay? And after that you can change the owner and you can change everything, right? Anyway, so you can just put Neko. So just leave it as well. And for this Kitbox, for this pick the Kitbox one, you can close your GitHub and go to Kitbox, or you can this application, or you can just search for www.com Kitbox uploads and you just upload and download it. And after that you can just use Kitbox to select any pick that you want it to be on your own. So as for mine, I'm just gonna search for a random, okay? I'm gonna just go and search for a random. So for a random, okay, I'm gonna just search for a random. Okay, and make it easy. And even that, I'll give you the link of this upload page will be available in the description, so you'll find it. So I'll make it easy for you to do it. Also guys, don't forget to give credit if you are using my bot and my plugins. Okay, after that just click there and replace with over here and just commit changes. After commit the changes, just click with this file here and go to make it. It's the same as the one, but I think something like, and click on the edit icon and then start editing. Hello, I'm Neko. Hello, I'm Neko MD. And after that, I think that's all you need to do. There, you can just change there and change it there again. Just click on commit changes. Then click on the files. Okay, some of you didn't see where I was clicking. Click this one, the first name, and click on at this time. This is almost one of the first ones. When you click on edit this file, welcome to Neko. I think all my information are cool. just replace this or this JPG here with your own, okay? And after that, just go make the changes. Okay, after that, sorry, I want to code. I was just supposed to go big plugin. Okay, ping restart and go to song. And also go to repo. First, you just go to repo and you can change this your own information, okay? And after that, you can just save again and go to song and downloads. And click on the message code, just replace it with the name of the bot. I think that's all you need. Okay, after that, just click on commit changes and commit changes again. I think that's all here. You can review all the files and replace the details with your own stuff. Anyway, that was the message that I was uploading. After that, just go to the app.json, okay, the app.json folder, sorry, I meant the tab, and click on edit again. We said you can replace it with your bot. The reason why I'm doing this, it was because my Uganda, the account that I use on Uganda was suspended, so I was just going to be doing so. And after that, you can just commit the changes again. And click where it says code on top there. Where it says code and go to the config. You can replace all this with your settings and put all the apps. Sorry, the details that you need to edit is the session ID. You can replace this with yours, or you can rename it to your session ID and the alert message. You can leave it, and the phone, so the phone number you can change it to yours. The Mongo, you can just leave it like that one. Restart us, you can change this one to setting. After that, you click back on code again after you collect the changes I said. And after that, I think you need to go to the package also. After that, you're gonna change. Sorry, I see the package on so you can leave it like that. Okay, just leave it like that. Otherwise, you can just change it if you know. But if you don't, you can just leave it like that. Then we are going to the readme and do this one. Click on the readme. Or could you just click this? Anyway, I know some of you can some like that. After that, you can just change to whatever you want to name it. Okay. And you can put your own readme if you want, and you can change. My GitHub username, you can replace it with yours, okay? I know some of you who believe it is mine. The GitHub, you replace my GitHub username, King Malvin, with yours, okay? With your own GitHub username. After that, just go. Okay, I think that's all. You can also do things while reviewing, you can check the preview before you make the changes to see if your things are gonna go, okay? As you can see, things are gonna go changing for around there. Just click on edit again. You can click the preview to find the most thing before you do it, okay? Since I already got my session ID, I'll just copy my session ID and since I already got mine, I'll just copy it in this part. Just go open the config and click on settings and just set the fork. Sorry, I forgot fork. Anyway, since it's yours, you can just, and after that, just replace the session ID. Okay, and then commit changes. Sorry about that, I forgot something. Just go to code, sorry about that, Okay, as you can see, this is everything I'll do, and you just have to okay, just click this and click on the fork icon, and after fork, you can just use your fork bar. Okay, then go to config and click on the edit icon again, and replace with your own session ID and commit changes. I think that's what you need, and after that just click on the code and copy this workflow, copy this, just click the copy, and after that click scroll up and click the selection, select workflow, set up workflow. Okay, after that paste this code and replace the name. This is how you do it, and replace it with this. So I was a bit in the introduction. Just click on actions and click on actions again. Click on deploy page, deploy and click on jobs. Just wait for it for a second. As you can see, the body is already done and already connected. So guys, thank you for watching, and things will go a bit ugly now. Let me just check it. As you can see, Neko MD is connected. So guys, sorry, this one I didn't change, so it doesn't matter. So you can, this is how you do it, guys. As you can see, already done, and it's also playing music. It play and maybe just a bit of time before it changes. Okay, as you can see, this is very. So guys, thank you for watching, and if you have any error or any issue, feel free to contact me on. So guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.